Hey guys, it's Nick and Viv from Perpato with Envy. Today we're in the Galleria Shops and Malls here at Fallsview Casino in Niagara Falls. So guys, we just got our seats here at The Famous. Established in 2004, The Famous is a diner-style restaurant open 24/7 here in the lobby of the Fallsview Casino in Niagara Falls, Ontario. They have a dessert cabinet here full of cakes and pies. And there is a, what do they call it?
Coconut cream pie.
Coconut cream pie that's about this tall.
And I'm ready to do one of these, but I don't think it'll be a good idea in the restaurant.
Lunch and dinner menu here from 11 a.m. to 6 a.m. Soups and salads. We also have the famous breakfast for $17.95. Hot sandwiches, that famous clubhouse that we've heard so much about. Their meatloaf is apparently to die for. They also have their famous burgers and their entrees, including a sirloin steak, Cornish hen, and fresh Atlantic salmon. So we finally made a decision. There's so many great choices here on this menu, but we've decided on the famous clubhouse sandwich, the corned beef on rye, and then we're gonna have the soup of the day, which today just happens to be seafood chowder.
Oh yeah.
And we also made sure to find out that there is a nice slice of that coconut cream pie ready for us.
We need to taste it.
So now we've got our seafood chowder.
Ready? That tastes homemade.
So let's give this a shot myself. You can actually see all the chunks of potato and seafood in here. Wow, that's definitely homemade. Wow. It tastes like something you would have at your house.
Okay, I ordered the famous club sandwich, and I'm ready to dig in. Okay, let's take our first bite. Wow. Very tender chicken breast. Fresh tomato, lettuce, bacon, Canadian bacon. Yummy.
Okay, I'm gonna try out this club. That's like a huge chicken breast in there. Wow, that chicken is really thick. The bacon is great. Tomatoes thick cut. It's a good club. The corned beef on rye. There is some mustard on the side here. I'm gonna find a little spoon here. We're gonna just add that right on top there. And here we go. The rye is great. That corned beef, great.
Oh, that's fresh. Oh, on this rye with that Dijon mustard. Fantastic. My favorite word, fantastic, but it is. It really is.
So along with the sandwich, I got some coleslaw. Coleslaw, guys. Vinegar-based coleslaw. Really nice. Subtle, but well spiced. And then they give you a pickle. Tastes like a pickle. I like it. Got some French fries here. I got them in my hand. We're gonna dip it in the gravy. Fresh cut fries. That gravy, really nice.
That's Viv.
Viv uses a fork.
Coconut cream pie. Women. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna love this.
Coconut cream pie. Wow. Right. Get all the stuff inside there.
Stuffed coconut.
Yeah, the stuff that's called coconut. And a little caramel on the side.
How's the crust?
Crust is great.
Right?
That's a winner. That's a winner.
That's so good. Nick, are you going to continue to share it with me, or are you going to eat it all?
It's mine. So guys, let's finish this off with the bill here at the Famous, and grand total of $97.80.
So guys, this was Famous in Niagara Falls, Canada. What were your thoughts on today's lunch?
I quite enjoyed it. I thought it was really good. Right from the corned beef sandwich, the club was really, really thick. Really, really good value. Listen, this place is home cooked food with real ingredients, and the portions are humongous. Huge. So, guys, let us know if you've been here and what your thoughts are on this place. For those of you that are new, please subscribe to our channel. And for those of you that have seen us a couple times, please like and share this video. Stay tuned, hit that notification bell for future videos because we are making more.
In the meantime, I'm going to finish up this coconut cream pie.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, 3, 2, 8.
Hey guys, I'm ready to burst.
I need some water. Oh wait, I got something on my teeth. Really good. Viv, what did you think?
I'm laughing because you said. That's a big bite.
I stole Viv's pickle. I've slathered the corned beef with this mustard. I put entirely way too much mustard on this. I did. But it's so good. Let's do that. It's literally, it's falling apart.